Roslyn Colencio, and I'm here in Haro-Haro, Tanay Branch with...
Denver Caballero.
And we're conducting this interview po for our subject, Retail Management, and tungkol po dun sa kung paano po kayo magpatakbo ng business ninyo in regards of marketing. Ang first questions ko po is, how do you operate marketing activities for your retail business?
Ang madalas na way of market namin dito sa Haro-Haro is through our Facebook page, Haro-Haro Tanay.
So, majority po ng ninyo, marketing ninyo is sa Facebook nyo po ginagawa.
Oo.
Second question ko po is, what parameters or factors do you consider when planning a marketing activity?
Main factors that we consider pag naglalabas kami ng advertising is yung budgeting at kung sino ang magiging target market namin para dun sa product na i-market namin.
My third question po is, what process do you follow when developing a marketing campaign?
Maglalabas kami ng bagong product. Of course, kailangan namin i-advertise para makilala siya sa patterns namin.
My fourth question, my second to the last question is, how do you identify and target your customers in retail marketing?
Since halo-halo shop kami, para talaga sa masa ang product namin. Pero kung mag-base ako sa specific target market, siguro mga tao madalas mainitan at mag-crave sa
Mga sweet foods
sweet
po.
snacks.
Yes. Okay, my last question po is, what other considerations are important when implementing marketing activities in your shop, in your store?
Siyempre yung timing, importante yung consideration yan para lalo na halo-halo shop kami. Hindi naman kami pwedeng maglabas ng bagong product sa taglamig. Hindi siya hindi ng mga
Hindi katakigin ng mga patrons, mga customers. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you so much po sa time ninyo sa interview namin.